All right, guys, for the second salad, I am going to be trying a more of a Mediterranean style spices. But again, I'm using spices and flavors and seasonings that I already have. So if it's not what you would consider that, then it's not what you would consider it. However, I will try my best to keep it within the family. So I've added the second batch of greens and lettuce. Lettuce is somewhat like in the middle. And I'm gonna just start with a little salt and pepper. So I'm gonna take a pinch of Himalayan salt. 2 pinches. Okay. Well, half a cap full of black pepper. Do I usually put this on my salads? No, well, I won't say no, not necessarily. Like salt and pepper is kind of a base, just like greens are a base to a salad, right? But if you don't do it, it won't kill you. Okay, next I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast. Booyah. Very flavorful. And I'm gonna take a capful. These little flakes are just, oh my goodness, nutrient dense. I mean, for real. They have 5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. I probably just use about 4. They're high in vitamin B12, which is something I like. So, need that. I'm gonna put in some thyme. Not too much. Not too much. Thyme gives off like a bulky flavor, but garlic powder, boom. You need the garlic powder. One time I put just powder on a dish and my aunt was like, you just got all powder. You just got all powder. I'm like, pretty much. Okay, basil leaves. Not necessarily Mediterranean, it's kind of like Italian, but I think it'll go well with this. Onion powder. That was onion powder. And I'm gonna get some Italian, even though that's, again, Italy. It doesn't take away from that spice. Now, I'll add the vinegar and oil later. And also my protein is gonna be the falafel mix. Okay, bye. Nor you can get it at your local grocery store. I got it from my local grocery store, and yeah, it was reasonably priced. Yeah, you could put whatever sauce you want on it, but I'm gonna add the falafel, I'm gonna add the oil and vinegar, and I do have a, where's my sauce at? I'm sorry, I have a plant-based sauce that I bought, yet I cannot find it, and I know I got it. Interesting. All right, until next time, that's how we did the first one. We used a little salt, a little pepper. I also put sesame seeds on there, so make sure you get some sesame seeds. You can put whatever add-ins you want for that Mediterranean flavor, like raisins, if you want dried fruit on there. Also added nutritional yeast, little bit of thyme, basil, Italian, garlic powder. I feel like salt, pepper, and garlic powder are like staples. And if you want to add a dash of onion powder, you can. But those first three, those are kind of like the rule book spices to add. And yeah, I'll add my vinegar and oil later and top it with my protein, which you can just bake or cook on the stove top. Add what you per 2 tablespoons is about 5 grams of protein. If you are thinking of eating more because you need the protein, eat more because you need the protein. If you're choosing like a different type of regimen, then 2 tablespoons should be enough. All right, so thank you guys for joining me for the second batch, and I will see you soon. Ciao.